Welcome to my channel. Here we have 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 times 5. Whenever you see an expression like this, we work from our left to our right because division and multiplication have equal priorities. So we have to work from our left to our right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let's solve the right answer to this expression. 5 divided by 5 will give us 1. Then we have 1 divided by 5 times 5. 1 divided by 5 can be written as 1 over 5. Then we multiply by 5. 5 into here 1, 5 into here 1. We are left with 1. 1 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.